Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to do word problems. Word problems based on your quadratic equations we do now. Okay. चलो चलो जल्दी से चलो. So now I'll write 1 minute. I'll write this one is we are doing this one no linear equation two variables, right? Two variables cross multiplication method we have done. So linear equation two variables extra questions we do now. Okay. So anyone having doubt, any questions? Satvik, Dipshika, Krishna, all of you on the camera now. Bhumika. Children, do you have any doubts in this word problems or something like that? Upstream and downstream, do you understood? Upstream and downstream part.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yeah.
Sai Ritvik, is it clear to you, Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the up and downstream? What is the speed in downstream? Tell me.
Sir, downstream,
Uh,
x plus 2.
X plus 2 in downstream.
Yes, sir.
In downstream, upstream.
The speed would be less, so x minus 2.
Acha.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, tell.
In upstream, it will be V minus U, and in downstream, it will be V plus U.
You didn't revise? Ritvik?
No, sir, I did not.
Why? You're not interested in studies and all. Simply you're coming for time pass or what?
No, sir, I don't have this lesson for my exam, so I haven't been able to study for it.
Which means exam for exam only you are preparing.
Yes,
Means,
sir.
means future exam also it will not come.
Sir, I'm studying for the tuition exam, but I don't have enough time to study for it every day.
Okay. So maths exam, which all syllabus you are having for maths exam?
Sir, I'm having polynomials, surface area, circles, quadrilaterals, constructions, and probability.
Okay. When is your exam?
Sir, it's on Friday, next Friday.
Acha. So this will take around 10 minutes to revise, no Ritvik. Why you are doing like this? Only 10 minutes it will take to revise, right?
Yes, sir, I'll do it from next time.
Not next time, now onwards you do.
Okay, sir.
Because revision part will not take much time. Satvik, you tell speed, downstream speed.
What, sir?
Downstream speed. Shall I tell once again?
Yes, sir.
Downstream speed.
Sir, can you explain the topic once again, like in short?
Last class, what you have read? Here you came, no? Last class, what you have read? Tell me.
Sir, last time I had internet problems, right? I left it at starting.
When you are there, how much time you are there in the class? That you tell me.
So, like, I had network issues, sir, last class. At starting only.
You are having network issue.
Yes, sir. So, can you explain again that part a bit?
What do you want to explain? What is happened in class?
So, like, upstream and downstream, can you explain?
That is only doubt to you.
Yes, sir. Can you?
You should be come in extra class, then only will come happen. Because again, if I take upstream dash, it will take half an hour time
So, this
wasted,
video
right?
is there. This video.
Yes.
I'll check, sir.
Because if I ask network is problem, you are there for 40 minutes. I remember that exact time. I remember you are there for 40
in
minutes.
between, it was gone. In between.
Where you gone?
The network was gone.
Two variables. 1 minute. Extra questions I'm taking right now.
So, did you posted a link, YouTube link?
Yeah, I'll post you. So now next children, what is there? No, I'll just tell you the same chapter concept. I'll tell you that how will sometimes what happens. We are finding the value of x and y, right? But sometimes we have sometimes we have only one solution. See, if you get only x and y, suppose I'm writing x plus y is equals to 2 and x minus y is equal to 0. It means that this is having only one solution. Why? Because this is, if you put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution, only one solution you get for this. Correct or not, children? Apart from
Yes,
this,
yes.
do you have any other solution for this? In
No.
which in which both the equation will satisfy simultaneously? It will not happen, right? So this is having only one solution. So we are going to compare these things with like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to what? 0. Okay. So if you see here, coefficient of x is what? Coefficient of x is 1. What is a1 in this equation? What is a1? a1 is equals to 1. a2 is equals to what? 1.
1.
And sorry, this is b1, no? 1 minute. This is b1. And c1 is equals to 2. Again, a2 is equals to 1. What is b2? Tell me. What is b2?
Sir, -1.
-1.
b2 is -1. And c2 is what? 0.
0.
This c1 you can write here -2 also, because if you are comparing this, you are bringing this one to this side, right? So you can write c1 as what? -2. It's clear, children?
Okay, sir.
So write here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. It's clear? a1, a2, b1, b2, then c1 and what? c2. Satvik, if you are having a small doubt also, please let me know. If network is not proper, message me. Okay. So this is clear to everyone how to find a1, a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now I'll ask here, case will be there. Case 1. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You do right now 4th and 5th as a test. So many days you are doing this. 3 to 5, 8. 16 marks test. 4th and 5th. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then how many solution will come? One solution. How many solution? One solution. Or you can say intersecting line we get, right? Intersecting lines. Intersecting line means, children, like this. Two will meet to each other. It means it meeting at only one point. Understood what you mean by intersecting?
Yes,
If
sir.
equation a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then what happens? How many solution will come? Only one solution will get. Only one solution. Okay. And you will get as intersecting lines. And this much you remember till now. Now suppose case 2 will be there. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 came and not equal to c1 by c2. Then what happens? Or suppose this also equal. Then how many solution will come? So in this case, it will come many solution, infinitely many solution. Understood? It means that suppose you are drawing first line is coming like this. The second line is just overlapping on this. Understood? Overlap will come. So overlapping means each and every point will match on this line. Clear or not, children? Understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Both lines will overlap each other. Both lines will overlap each other. So we call it as infinitely many solution. Okay. Or we can say here, which type of line will come, children? Tell me. Coincident. We call it as coincident lines. Coincident lines. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Coincident lines. If a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Now last case is there. if A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but what? Not equal to C1 by C2. Then what happens? Then you will get no solution. You will not get any solution. When is the situation when no solution will come? If you will get which type of lines? Tell me, children. Which
Parallel
type?
line.
Parallel lines, exactly. In case of parallel line, not a single point will match at a single, right? So understood these 3 points? Parallel lines. So remember, all of you, in parallel lines there is no solution. Suppose here I'm giving example also like this. This is parallel lines, this will never meet. Here only both the lines will be overlap each other, and here intersecting line like this. One solution, infinitely many, so you can't count only, and this is a parallel side. This will never meet, right? One more concept is there. They'll ask which is consistent, which is not consistent. So this is having solution, right? This is also having solution. So we call this is what? Consistent. Consistent. This is also having solution. So this is also what? Consistent.
So
This
why
is
is it
what?
called consistent?
Because the equations, the pair of equations which is having solution, the pair of equation which is having solution, either one solution or many solution, okay, those equations are what? Consistent.
Okay, sir.
Means you will get questions based on this. They'll ask you which of the pairs are consistent, which of the pairs are inconsistent. So where you'll get the answers, you will get what? Consistent. Where you'll get not the answer, that is what? Inconsistent. And this is what? Inconsistent. Inconsistent. So by seeing the equation, can you tell me, children, how the equation will come? By seeing the equation. You know graphical method to solve. Graphical method, you know how to solve graphical method?
What are we doing, sir?
Huh? What, Sai Charan?
What are we doing, sir? I came just now.
You join now. Why today also late, Sai Charan?
Sir, a bit connection problems.
Okay. Anyone having doubt, children, in these 3 cases? Tell me. Satvik, you are having any doubt?
No, sir.
Till here it's clear to everything. Sai Ritvik, it's clear.
Clear, sir.
Child, everything is very, very important, Satvik and Sai Ritvik. Try to understand, it's very easy concept. It's not nothing like it should remember something in mind. It's very easy concept. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then only one solution will come. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then infinitely many solutions. And A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Then what we call? No solution.
Okay, sir.
This is the only concept. Now I give few questions to you. You have to tell me now. Okay. So question number 1 I'll give right now to you. Very easy concept I'll give. So question number 1 is on your screen. See question number 1. Find the value of k for which the system of equation have infinitely many solutions. It means that you have to know for infinitely many solution, what is the equation will be there, right? Like which equation will come into picture? Case 1, case 2 or case 3? Which case will come? Huh?
Case 2.
Case 2.
Case 2. Very good. So for case 2, what you should do is, you know the equation, no? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now put the value of A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. All are equal and find the value of K. That's it. That's the easy concept you are getting. That's it.
Sir, can you tell again, sir?
See what these three concepts you understood or not, Sai Charan? Case 1, case 2, and case 3.
Sir, I came when you were teaching the case.
1 minute.
Sir, could you again explain like how to find the values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and all?
Yeah, okay, fine. See, we are having two equations over here. X, I'll just make it bigger. X plus y is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. So now you have to compare these two equations by A1x, B1y and C1. Okay. So that's why we are comparing this one by first equation. See. So that's why we got it as A1 is equals to what? 1. What is A1? Tell me, Deepshikha, what is A1 over here?
So 1.
1. Why? This is A1 is the coefficient of x in the first equation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Again, B1 is the coefficient of y of the first equation itself. And C1 is the constant term of the first equation. We are going to bring into this form. This minus 2 we are bringing to left hand side because C1 is here. See, where is C1? C1 is on left hand side. If you bring this 2 on left hand side, what do you get?
-2.
Minus 2. That's why A1, B1, C1.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now similarly we are comparing for this second part for second equation. Okay, the second part, one minute. See, the second part we are getting for the second equation. This equation, what is this? For the second equation, this is here. So now we are getting A1, A2, A2, B2, C2, A2, B2 and C2. So these are the equations and this only we have to compare all this.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it.
No problem, children. If you're having doubt, I'll just explain you 5 times, not a problem. But try to understand each and every concept. Ask 5 times, not a problem in asking. But repeating is a very this thing. Suppose next class if you ask the same thing, then it'll take long time. So today if you ask, we are into what?
Sir, I
Say.
didn't understand, sir.
You are not
Sir,
understanding.
what is ABC, sir? Hey?
See, what is A1x? X is A1, A2 is the coefficient of x in the first and second equation. Okay, Sai Charan?
Yes, sir. Got it.
A1, A2 is the coefficient of x in first and second equation. What is B1, B2, Sai Charan?
Sir, coefficient of second equation, sir.
No. B1 and B2 I'm saying. B1 and B2.
Sir, the coefficients of y in the first and second equation.
Yes, like that you should tell. Now we have to compare A1 and A2. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we get it as one solution. Okay. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, we got only one solution. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
If A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C, if all three are equal, then in that case you will get infinitely many solution, because this is both the lines will overlap to each other. That's why we got infinitely many solutions. And case 3 is what? If A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by 2 and not equal to C1 by C2, then we call it as what? Parallel lines, and will not get any solution. Understood or not? So keep in mind all the time. Don't revise everything all the times. Think that this the
What is this concept of that lines and
which case you are talking about? Case 1, case 2, case 3. Which case you are
these cases have means they have like one solution, infinite many solutions, and no solutions. So after that,
Yes.
wrote like parallel lines and constant lines.
Yeah, because if parallel lines will be there, then they will not meet anywhere, no, Sai Charan. It means that if you make the graphical representation for both the lines, you will get it as what? Parallel lines you get. Okay, Sai Charan?
Yes,
If
sure,
you
got it.
if you make the graph for these two lines, how you get the lines? You get as a parallel lines if it is coming like this pattern. It's clear now, children, or not? We'll do that
I did
also.
not understand
Which part, Pulastya?
the last part,
How it's case third you are
how
saying?
it has no solution. Oh, okay. I thought that was something else. Okay, that's fine.
No solution, because this, if you draw the graphical representation for both the equations, you will get as parallel lines only, and parallel lines will never meet
Oh,
each other, right?
oh yeah, they will not. Okay.
If they not meet each other, there is no solution. That's why we call it as inconsistent lines, or you can say parallel lines, or it is having no solution. Okay, that's the thing. So anyone who is having doubt in all these three cases still?
So does coincident mean they're the same line?
Yeah, coincident means both the lines will overlap each other.
But
It
doesn't
may,
that mean both of them are the same? Won't they have like the same equation?
see, it will come like this. It may be like this.
Oh, oh,
2x plus 4y is equals to, suppose, 6. I've written here 6x plus 12y is equals to 18. So now if you draw this line, no, and if you draw this line, you'll get same only
yeah.
line. Coincident lines will get, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
in this case, what happens? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to what? C1 by C2. Why? Everywhere is coming 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That's why this type of equation will have what? This type of equation will have
Infinite
coincident
solutions.
lines. Yes. So this is your rough part. Simply for understanding, I told you. Okay, that's it. I just took an example like A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Then you have 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. That's it. Now see, children, what the first question what I am asking to you here. Question is asking you should find the value of k. K is equals to question mark. And the equation, this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Equation is having infinitely many solution. So first of all, you find here A1. A1 is 1. What is A2? What is B1? 3. What is B1? What is B2? What is C1, C2? What is B1?
Minus K.
Minus K. Very good. Next, B2. Sai Ritvik, you tell. What is B2?
Sir,
Sai Ritvik. Tell me.
sir, this B1 should be minus KY also, right? I mean, why only minus K?
B1 is the coefficient. What is B1? B1 is the coefficient of Y, no? Coefficient of Y. It's not with
Oh,
Y. What is A1? A1 is the coefficient of X. That is 1 hidden over here, right?
yeah.
Sir,
That we
A2.
should think.
So B2 is 6.
B2 is 6. Very nice. Next. C1. Satvik, you tell
Sir,
C1.
sir 2.
Minus 2 should tell because you are bringing to left hand side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And C2 is what? 5. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you just place here 1 by 3 is equals to minus k by 6. From this only you'll get the answer. No need to put this one. If you put also not a problem. Okay. Is equals to, if you want to put, you can put here minus 2 by 5. Clear? So you can solve this equation by this also, and you can solve by equation by this two also. It's clear or not, children? Where k is there, no, that you take it out.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So you can solve by both the ways. So we can write here 1 by 3 is equals to minus k by 6, and here minus k by 6 is equals to minus 2 by 5. Now we try to solve, we'll get the same answer or not. Here minus k is equals to what you'll get. See, 3 2s are 6, you'll get 2. The k is equals to minus 2, correct? But here what we'll get? This will get cancelled. We are not doing mistakes, right? So 5k is equals to 12. The k is equal to 12 by 5. This is coming wrong. So we are doing mistake. K is equal to 1. Then 1 minus
Sir,
k. Yes.
so can we like simply cancel 3 and 6 like that? 3 1s and 3 2s. I mean
Yeah, because
denominators.
if 6 you send up also, no, then you'll get that the same thing will come, right?
Okay, yeah.
If you're getting confused, don't do like my method. If you are not confusing over here, ask. So we can do like this, not a problem. So k is equals to minus 2 we are getting. Why is coming mistake over here? Minus k and 6, this is also correct. And minus 2 and 5, this is also correct. So which of the following equations are true over here? The answer is given as minus 2. First two only part they have solved over here. A, infinitely many solution. This should be not equal, no? Correct? Infinitely many solutions. This will be not equal, right, children?
No, sir,
Yeah,
all
so they're
equal.
infinitely.
1 minute. Infinitely many
Yes,
solutions.
sir.
Sir, many solutions, right? So we can get any of them.
All of them are equal.
Yes, correct. So 1 minute. Something is mismatching, I think. 1 minute. Mhm.
Sir, can you again tell A1, A2, B1, B2, sir?
I'll tell. Full day today, full class, I'll tell that only. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. A1, A2 are the coefficient of X. Okay, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Very fast you get, very fast you forget also. Huh? Sai Charan, why? Sai Charan,
Sir, don't know.
don't know. I'll just type here 1 minute. Equations I'll write here. I'll just write here parallel lines equations. Parallel lines examples. 1 minute. Here only we get to know everything. If we just do for class 10th, well apart, no. I might have taught. See here, infinitely, if A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, all are equal, no? Here. So it's infinitely many solutions. It's there, we are correct. Actually, question only is wrong, okay? Question they should ask over here what we are doing right now. You can see here, no? What we have done, that is correct. Okay? So this is A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. This is having what? Infinitely many solution. Okay? Any more thing is there? Let me check somewhere else. We are correct or not? We should be correct. 1 minute. So once I'll see here also. A1 by A2, right here. A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Which is having no solution. That is having A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, we are correct here. So we have done correctly. Equation only should be changed. It's given here, no? Find the value of k for which the system of equation have, you should write here, in equation have no solution, you should write. Okay. What they should write here? No solution. Understood? They should write what? No solution. Then only your answer will come for k. It's clear? So you should write here only A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. You write here not equal to, and this is not required over here. Only first two part you should solve. Is it clear now?
Sir,
So
can you
what?
repeat again?
Huh?
Sir, can you repeat again?
What I'm saying, if they gave infinitely many solution, what happens? We are getting two answers, right? That you understood?
Yes, sir.
So we are getting two answers. What is this? Is not if it is equal, no. So we should write here minus 6 by 6. It's not equal to is given. So only just solve this first two parts. It's clear. So what Krishna?
Yes, sir.
But in this case, you should write here as not equal to. It should be here no solution only. For no solution, should get a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to what? c1 by c2. Okay. Now it's clear to everyone. Tell me, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
If they
No.
ask here infinitely many solution, then what I've done, that is not equal to this. Two answers will come for k. Understood? That k will, some different answer will also come. K is equal to 2, and that also should be there. Got it? So I'll give one other question based on this only.
Sir, is this 10th, sir?
Huh? What?
Sir, is this 10th, sir?
Yes, this is 10th class basics concept only. You went, your marks came, Sai Charan, of class 9th. Final exam happened, right?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay, now see children over here. This is the equation. You have to tell me that which find the value of y. Find the value of y for the equation which is having no solution. For no solution, you have to find the value of y. Aim over here.
That
Find
means
aim.
they're parallel, right?
Yes. For parallel lines, you have to find the value of m. This is the question.
So that is minus 15.
Yes, this is minus 15.
Sir, is that my square or that's equal to?
Is equals to this one.
So we can find any m can be many values, right?
Yeah, it can be many values, not a problem. But only one solution will come, not many.
Okay, I'll think. Is it just two? Wait, is it just no? Wait. I'll just is that minus 15?
Mhm. No,
Yeah.
no,
No,
no.
is the number written minus 15?
Yes, his number is
Yeah,
minus.
sir. Like, sir,
Yes,
is it wait? Is it 6?
6. Let me check. 1
Yes, sir,
minute.
6.
6. Yes, 6 answer is correct.
Sir, is it minus 6 or plus 6?
I think
Only
it's 6
6
plus 6.
plus 6. So for no solution, what you have to do over here? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Correct? So here you write here 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by m is equals to minus 5 by 15. Correct? This is not equal to. So from here only you get, not required for this one. The m is equals to what you get? 6. Clear? Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. It's clear to everyone, children? Anyone? Akshat? How you are feeling now, Akshat? Okay, now see other question on comparing the equation ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following parallel equation intersect at a point parallel or coincident. So find whether the lines are, just write in the chat box, children. Don't speak anything, write in the direct this chat box, okay? Tell fast, all of you. Write in the chat box whether these are intersect at a point means intersecting lines, right? Parallel lines or coincident lines. There are three cases over here given. Okay. So which case is correct? You have to write in the chat box. You should not speak out. I got 5 answers over here, and I got answers from Sai Charan, Krishna, Pulastya, and then Bhumika, Deepshikha. What about other children?
I'm still doing it, sir.
Sorry, send it.
This now I got Vivek. So how much time this will take? By seeing only you can say no man. 5, 7, 5 by 7. Second you should do in seconds. Still I'm doing it like it's a IIT question. It looks like, huh? Sai Ritvik. Here underline -4, 6. What is there in that? And this first and second is only not equal. Then why you should see C1 by C2? If first two is not equal, that's what? Intersecting only, no? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Then why you should say C1 by C2? We should not check only, right? Why to check? So who is writing here something parallel lines and all? Still who is writing parallel lines over here? Krishna, how is come parallel lines? Tell me.
Sir, I thought that it's
See, first only is
not
not
known.
equal. First only is not equal means you should not go further only. First two only you check, that is not equal. So over. That's it.
Yes.
Still you are having doubts, Sai Ritvik?
No doubt, sir.
So if you say I'm having still means I'm doing, then what will happen? Tell. Okay, next question I'll ask you. 1 minute. Some hi-fi question is not there. I'm seeing that. Some hi-fi question I'm giving right now to you people, okay? So this is a question. For what value of k for the following system of linear equations has no solution? This will take bit time. All of you try. So for what value of k for the following system of equations has no solution? Means ultimately you have to find the value of k here also. Again, you should send me the chat box itself.
Sir, this 3x plus y equals 1 and 2k minus 1x plus k, that thing, those both are like, I didn't understand this question.
See, mainly we have to find the value of k. This k is there, no?
Yeah.
You can see this k, or this k, any one k. You have to find the value of that, okay? First of that. Second thing is, for no solution, what should be the equation? Tell me. For no solution. A1 by A2.
It has to be parallel, right? A1 by
Yes.
A2 equals to B1 by B2.
Yes, and not equal to C1 by C2.
C1 by C.
So A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, everything you know. Put the values now and get the answer. What is there in that? If we teach to 6th standard also, they will understand, right?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Yes. Very small concepts, not hi-fi anything. You are at a basic level, basic. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. See, so easy.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, Pulastya. You should not speak out your answers if you are getting the answers. If you are
okay,
having
I'll
doubt,
just type it.
if you're having doubts, then you can ask me, okay? If you're having doubt, you can ask. So I got 3 answers in which 3 answers are same and 1 answer is different. Bhumika answer is different. I don't know what will happen later on. At least any 4 children got the answer. Pulastya, Sai Charan, Deepshika and Bhumika. Rest all. Sai Ritvik, tell fast.
So mine is wrong, sir.
I don't know. I have not solved over here. If I solve, then I get to know. So 3 by 2k minus 1 means your answer is different. I'm saying 3 people answer have done means same only, and your answer was different from them. That I'm telling. 1 by k minus 1. So no need to solve this part. Only this much is enough to find the value of k, right? So cross multiply you do 3k minus 3 is
I did
equals to 2k
miscalculation.
minus 1. So k is equals to how much you get? Bhumika, how you got 0? I don't know.
Sir, miscalculation.
Okay, fine. The children who are getting +2, that is correct answer. Is it clear, Sai Ritvik? It's very easy question or not? What is there in that? Correct, Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. Now again you have to find the value of k, where these represent the parallel lines over here. See, parallel lines for this equation. This is a question in which This is the equation k minus 2 x minus 2y. What happened? Write in the chat box of the value of k only. Find the value of k here also. Find the value of k. So here you have to find k is equal to question mark. I got 3 answers right now. And here, Bhumika, again, your answer is different from others.
I'll check my calculation again.
Dipshika, your also answer is different from others. I don't know which is correct, which is wrong. I don't know. I'm not saying your answer is wrong. Starting 3 answers I got, in which all 3 answers are same, but your sign was different. That's it, Bhumika.
Okay, sir.
So here, if for parallel lines, same thing, no solution only, right? So for this, what we should write here, A1 by Sairitvik, why you're not answering this? Sairitvik,
Yes, sir.
why it's so hard? It's so difficult to do, Sairitvik.
No,
Tell
sir.
me.
It's not
Then
difficult. I'm just having a bit of time figuring it out.
so this is not required actually. This is not equal to, only should see this one only, right?
Sir, I sent you another answer.
Hey, acha, k is equals to, if you see, minus 2k is equals to 6. I think your answer is correct. Bhumika, your answer was correct.
Okay.
Sir, how did we get -8?
Because this we are sending to left hand side, no? C1, C2.
Okay, sir.
Minus 8, minus 10. You are sending on left hand side. On an exam, you can write both. This 8 by 10 also not a problem, children. But anyway, we are comparing with A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 in this case, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why we
Understood.
are comparing. Pulastya, you have done mistake, understood? You are writing 3, so answer should be what?
Yeah.
So sometimes it happens. All of them will do wrong, only one will do correct. So all of you got the same now. Deepshika, acha. 6 divided by minus 2. Acha, you have done like this. 6 plus 2 you have done, Deepshika.
Sir, I just brought that -2 down.
Acha, like this, no?
I didn't solve it. Yeah.
How will you get 4? I don't know. 6 minus 2,
4
4.
was the before answer, sir. After that, I did it again and then I got 6 by -2.
How you got 4 before?
Some calculation problems, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyone who is not getting the answers, he left only. What is his name? Satvik. Satvik left. So I'll give one new question to you people, okay? Which is not there in class 10th also, okay?
Sir, can you clarify my doubt, sir, that you told yesterday?
Which, it's last time I'll clarify your doubts. Yeah, we are having very less time now. Now in the end moment you are telling Sai, it is very easy question.
Sir,
What?
sir, I did. Forgot.
Yeah, Sai Charan, 1 minute, Sai Charan. I'm just clarifying your doubts. It is very easy. Children, listen here. Sai Charan is having one doubt. That is your 361 to the power 3 minus 139 to the power 3 whole divided by 361 whole square minus 361 into 139 and into 139 to the power 2. This is only question, Sai Charan.
Yes, sir.
So this is AQ minus BQ formula, you know, Sai Charan. AQ minus BQ formula. If you know AQ minus
Yes,
BQ
sir.
formula,
A plus
then tell me.
A plus B into A square. B square.
This is minus the A minus B and Sai Charan, I think your question is something wrong.
Sir,
Because
can we just simplify
No,
this now, sir?
sir.
wait, yeah, 1 minute. I'll just solve
So
1 minute.
this is 1, right? Because it's the same
Yeah,
on
answer
both
is 1.
sides.
Yes, sir.
See what
Now
we
it's
do. A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square is there, right? So if you do here, if you take minus common from all, minus if you take common from here, but you can't take only, no, 1 minute. What is I mentioned here,
but
Sai Charan?
it's
What is I mentioned? What you have to find here? Find the value of this whole thing. If here is plus and here is plus,
sir
then
means sir means
answer
in
is plus
denominator
plus
in the
here.
denominator.
Ah,
No, sir. It's minus and plus.
minus and plus is there.
So,
Here this only will come here. A square plus AB plus B square. I think somewhere is missing out. 1 minute. 361 whole square minus AB minus B square, which never came.
So it should be plus, right?
Where is plus? I don't know. If everything is plus, then it's easy. Everything is plus, then it's easy.
So shouldn't it be like minus 361 to 139 plus the 139 square?
sir, I'm checking one second.
See, question what you send, you just scan and send me. So AQ plus BQ will be there. Full this is mismatching over here. Because this is the formula AQ minus BQ, A minus B, A square plus AB plus B square. If it is not plus, then something difficult. If you take minus
Sir,
common if
it's
you
only
want.
the
Huh? What?
sir means this is only the question, sir. Nothing went wrong.
Okay, fine. What we do now, we try to make it minus common. 361 to the power whole 3 minus 139 to the power whole 3 whole divided by, if you take minus common from everywhere, but if you take this will come minus over here.
Sir means first
Wait for 1 minute. And plus 361 into 139 plus 139 whole square. But it's not coming here. Now this is coming minus if you take
sir means
this.
we write it in the form in the simple form, sir. Then we make it.
If here is plus and here is plus, no problem at all, because only answer will come A minus B. That's it. Your answer is coming what, Saicharan? Like this, is answer is coming 1, 3, 9, 9 to 11. Then this is your 5. 5 minus 3 is 2.
No,
122 is the answer. Just check once. If this is the answer, then question will be wrong. If this is the answer. If the different answer will be there, then it's correct.
sir, answer is 500.
Answer is 500. No, so they're adding this. Your answer will be A plus B, I think then. Okay, A plus B. That's why I'm telling you take minus common from top also, this also. The A plus
Yes,
B, if you add, you'll get 500. Yes.
yes,
So,
sir. Sir, but it's not all plus, sir. It's only the means 361 whole square minus 361 into 139 plus 139 whole square, sir.
I understood. If you solve, you are getting the same answer. Suppose this will come in, if it is coming here plus, see how the answer will come. I'm telling you. If it is plus here, no, this is this you remove. If it is plus here, and if it is plus here, then answer will come 500.
Sir, means we can do like first one as a plus b whole cube and the down one as a minus b whole cube. No, sir. A cube minus b cube, sir.
A Q minus B Q, if you do, you can't get anything. Only top part, but you can't cancel anything over here.
Sir,
Okay,
means first one.
Saichan, I'll solve this one and just let you know. Once again, I'll solve you. Okay.
Sir, the question is wrong, sir, which you wrote now.
Question is wrong. Who told you?
Sir, means I will repeat the question, sir. Means the
Not
signs.
repeat. Not repeat. What you have sent to me, that same thing I've written here. That's it.
Oh,
Okay.
sir, means the question is 361 whole cube plus 139 whole cube.
I'm
Plus.
saying if it is there, no, here plus and here plus, then answer will come 500. It may be this answer question also wrong. Something we should modify this. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave now. Saichan, I'll come back to this question once again. I'll see once what can be done further.
Then revision.
Revision. You just keep on doing revise, Saichan. What same chapters? How which chapter you want revision? Tell me.
Sir, same chapter, sir.
Same chapter. Your final is not over yet.
No, sir. It's pre-board is over, sir.
Okay, fine. Saichan, I'll just revise. I'll just send you the timings and all. Okay.
Sir, means Monday I'm having, sir.
Sunday only.
Monday, sir.
Okay, fine. Sunday I'll take if possible, or Saturday. But how? Today only you should tell, no man. What your doubt and all. One day, I mean, what in one day what you will do? Or better, what you do? No, you just send me all the doubts, Sai Charan, and I'll clarify all the doubts on Saturday, Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Thank you, children. All you can leave now. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.